Be sure to check out some of the other videos here on the RelaxShacks.com channel from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont and from Craft and Sprout Tiny Homes located in Connecticut.
Oh.
Is he gonna snap?
I hope not. That would suck.
While we're filming.
Yeah, right? There we go.
Be cool if I could mount the camera actually and get a GoPro to it so you get that perspective.
Of us busting our asses?
Yeah. The Redneck Seesaw here at Tiny House Summer Camp. This is one of the projects we work on.
What a blast.
Yeah, we're here with Chris Strathy, the capable carpenter. And we just, well, Chris, you tell us about this real quick.
Oh, man, well, this is just a seesaw we put together. Deacon called me up, kind of, we were talking about what we're going to do for summer camp, and just a fun idea he had. And the 6x6, you go to your local lumber yard. This was one that was just not in condition to sell, so I got it for 15 bucks, which is about 75% off.
People are going to get sick watching this, but they're just going up and down and the camera's shifting.
What a blast, though. I mean, this is, I don't want to go home, you know, summer camp's over, we had a blast. This was just something we stuck, a few people hung out last night late and put this together. It's how cool, though, you're out right in the middle of the woods, just kind of seesawing, certainly brings back the youth. Yeah,
that's kind of the point. I mean, actually you can see through the woods over here a little bit, one of the cabins, they're all over the place. We got about 10 of them. And it's real quiet here now, but a couple hours ago before people left, it was certainly bustling and noisy and
they had a blast.
Full of activity.
Summer camp, you missed out.
So we're definitely having another one, going to be in September. I'm all unshaven and dirty as usual. 2019, which sounds crazy. It'll be Tiny House Summer Camp 7. Be sure to check out Chris Strathy, the capable carpenter. We got a tour on this channel as well of him in his mobile tiny house building and other building work studio. So be sure to check that out as well. Subscribe and we'll see you guys later.